All right. We're excited to see all of you here this morning. Ba-na-na-na-na-na-na-na.
Is it on?
Hello.
Sure. No, it's on.
We're excited to have all of you here this morning, aren't we? Let's hear it. Yes. It's a beautiful day outside, and it's a really exciting day inside. I'm going to turn it over to Jason Dimmitt from Harbor Freight Tools for Schools. Jason.
Good morning. Again, my name is Jason Dimmitt, and I'm a district manager for Harbor Freight Tools. And I'm honored to be here representing Harbor Freight Tools for Schools to make a huge congratulations to Blair Jensen for being one of 20 winners of this year's Harbor Freight Tools for Schools Prize for Teaching Excellence. Congratulations, Blair. You and your school have just won $50,000. In case you were wondering, this was no small achievement. Harbor Freight Tools received over 750 applications from talented, skilled trade teachers all over the country. Mr. Jensen's application went through many judging experts in education, industry, and civic leadership. 20 teachers from across the United States are being announced winners today that will be receiving a total of $1.25 million. So again, congratulations, Mr. Jensen. Now, I think we can all agree that Mr. Jensen deserves something better than a trophy. And so to serve your students and your classroom for many years to come, we brought a Harbor Freight Tools full bank tool cart, and of course, your $50,000 check. And of course, the real one will be here soon, Mr. Jensen. Congratulations.
So I can't just take this one to the bank?
It's all yours.
Stay right there. Stay right there. Hold that up. Well, we are so glad. Oh, other way, Blair.
Oh.
There you go. We are so excited and so happy for Blair to get this award. He is so deserving. I've known Blair for so many years, and let me tell you, he is a champion for students. He wants everything for those students. He teaches them career skills that will better their lives in welding and other trade professions. We are so thankful to have you on our staff.
Thanks.
Congratulations. Would you like to say something?
I mean, if I have to. I didn't get to prepare anything. This is awesome. This is just proof to you guys that hard work pays off. I've been applying for this award for 4 years now. I'm a 3-time runner-up for it, and it's all about persistence. You can get what you want so long as you apply yourself to it. If you dream it and you focus on it and fight for it, you can achieve it. Thank you, guys.
Now, I hope this was a good surprise. Your family is here.
Yeah.
Mom, dad, sisters, brother-in-law, nieces and nephews, get on up here.
thank you again for being part of our celebration today. Thank you to Mr. Jensen's family and to Mr. Jensen and his students for being such an important part of Jordan School District. He's the only person we let have flame in his classroom. So congratulations. Thank you very much to Harbor Freight for your incredible support. Thank you very much.